encroach upon the rights of others. Question is very
Rajya Sabha has approved the motion to suspend 12 opposition MPs from Rajya Sabha for rest of the winter session. The 12 members were suspended on account of the misconduct and behaviour in the monsoon session that took place in August this year. The suspended members were involved in a massive ruckus that erupted in both the houses during the last session. Rajya Sabha had witnessed an uproar in its last session as the opposition members came down heavily in protest, affecting parliament proceedings. Among the 12 MPs, 6 suspended members are from Congress, 2 from Shiv Sena, 2 from TMC, 1 from CPM and 1 from CPI. There is fury amongst leaders who have been suspended.
Totally undemocratic. This is a murder of the democracy. This is a murder of the constitution. You see, we have not been given the opportunity to be heard, and this is a one-sided decision. It is a biased decision, vindictive decision. The opposition parties have not been consulted here. We have not given the opportunity to be heard. And you see, in the last session we have protested. We have protested for the cause of the farmers, for the cause of the poor people, and as parliamentarian it is our duty. It is our duty to raise the voices of the millions of people, to the oppressed section people, deprived section people, to raise their voices in the parliament. And if we are MP, if we do not raise the voices in parliament, where do we will raise our voice?
Ruckus was created not by us, but by the government. The government wanted the parliaments to function as a caged place of slaves, where people should not raise their concerns of the masses. We are not for that. For us, the parliament is a place to reflect the people's anguishes and their sorrows and their concerns. We try to raise the issues of the farmers.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, whose name also appears in the list of 12 MPs, have questioned the decision.
I will be speaking to the chairman, but that this is extremely unfair. This is extremely undemocratic. This is a way to silence the opposition voices. This is trying to take our voices away on important bills that are going to be coming up for discussion. And this suspension does not hold good under any legal purview as per my understanding.
ये माफी मांगने का तो सवाल नहीं है। एक दूसरा क्या है, किस ढंग से उन्होंने सस्पेंड किया है वो रूल्स रेगुलेशंस बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन रूल्स के खिलाफ किया है। ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है ये है लास्ट सत्र का है, तो ये अब विंटर सेशन में इसको मुद्दा बना के सस्पेंड करना तो अपोजिशन की मुंह बंद करने के लिए उनकी जो पोल खुलेगी वो नहीं खुलना, इसीलिए सारे अपोजिशन पार्टी को उन्होंने सस्पेंड करने का निर्णय लेकर सस्पेंड किया है, जो लोग उसमें नजदीक भी नहीं थे।
This is not the way. It was the motion was voted, it was approved, action is taken, it is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the house, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying, and so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering.